Hello and welcome to Dr MummyCakes. In this video you will finally have the answer to why does my cake dome in the middle. I'll be sharing with you the secrets to flat top cakes so you can say goodbye to cakes that dome in the middle and say hello to flat top cakes. This is part of my Your Baking Questions Answered with Dr MummyCakes, where you learn the inside secrets to making amazing cakes. Send your questions and I will give you the answers. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, you're missing out. Click the subscribe button now and start learning how to make amazing cakes. So let's get back to the topic at hand. How to bake flat top cakes just like my amazing cakes in the pictures below. First, let's look at the science of baking. Remember, baking is actually quite easy when you know how. So the first thing that we're going to think about is how does a cake bake when you're in the oven? So of course the first step is to prepare your cake batter, mix it all up, put it in the cake tin and then put it into the preheated oven. And that's where the magic starts to happen. It's important to understand exactly what happens to your cake when it's in the oven. That way you will understand how the cake is meant to bake to create flat tops, and when things go wrong, why you get a dome in the middle. So in an oven that is at the right temperature, all parts of the cake should bake evenly, and that's how you get a flat top. So you want an oven temperature whereby both the middle and the outer bit of the cake is baking at the same time. However, things can start to go wrong when the oven temperature is too hot. When the oven is too hot, the cake bakes too quickly and unevenly, and this is what causes doming. When the oven is too hot, the edge and the outermost part bakes too quickly and starts to set, but the middle hasn't cooked yet. Then as the middle starts to cook, the cake batter has got to rise somewhere. It can't rise to the edge because that's already set because it's cooked. So what happens? It rises to the top, and that is why you get a dome. So now let's look at how you can stop this from happening and bake flat top cakes. The secrets to making flat top cake is to bake your cake at the right temperature. I know it sounds very, very easy, but you'll be surprised to learn that many ovens have temperatures that are not quite right. So it's important to check your oven temperature using an oven thermometer. Or if you haven't got that, try turning down your oven a little bit lower when you bake and see if that makes a difference. I hope that you'll be able to make flat top cakes now. Don't forget to subscribe for more baking and cake decorating tips. Thank you for watching.